To take a closer look at Audi E7X, brand new, please welcome the CEO of Audi, Gunnar Donner. Gunnar,
hello.
It's great to see you.
Great to see you.
What was the core idea behind this model?
Yeah, the E7X is a clear signal of our ambition in China and a key step in strengthening our position in the fast-growing NEV segment. From the very beginning, our goal was to create a vehicle that truly feels at home in China. We listened closely to local customers and combined unmistakable Audi DNA, engineering excellence, progressive design, and premium quality with China's digital ecosystem and innovation speed. The result is a bold, all-electric SUV that is sporty, multifunctional, and spacious, designed for everyday life.
And maybe we should talk about technology. How does the E7X bring this project technique to life?
Yeah, on the road, the E7X is clearly Audi. Up to 500 kilowatts of power, 0 to 100 in just 3.9 seconds, quattro all-wheel drive, all-wheel steering, and adaptive air suspension. At the same time, the technology is tailored to China with a level 2++ driver assistance system, developed for local traffic and a fully integrated digital ecosystem. We are already planning to introduce level 3 highly automated driving capabilities on the Audi E7X, marking the debut of this technology for Audi worldwide and in China. This is where Audi engineering and China's innovation strengths come together.
And naturally, I'm very interested to learn about Audi's next step in tech development. And how is Audi continuing to innovate in China?
Yeah, China is a key innovation hub for Audi. We are expanding local development with SAIC, including our new Audi Innovation and Technology Center in Shanghai. Looking ahead, 4 all-new Audi models are planned, ensuring innovation at market speed while staying true to what defines Audi.
The E7X is a powerful statement. Audi DNA, China speed, truly impressive.
E7X fuses Audi's DNA with Chinese innovation to create a localized all-electric SUV. It delivers powerful performance and features L2++ intelligent driving system. More importantly, the E7X will mark the global debut of Audi's L3 autonomous driving. Moving forward, Audi will partner with SAIC to expand the Shanghai Innovation and Technology Center with the plans to launch the 4 brand new Audi models.